Local news for Thursday, the 7th of May. Buses replaced most weekend services on the Wairarapa line between Upper Hutt and Masterton this weekend. The train service recommenced last Monday, and those needed to work took advantage of the service. Physical distancing will remain in place on board the bus replacement services this weekend. According to the CoreLogic QV April 2020 House Price Index results out, momentum in the property market continued right up to the level for COVID-19 enforced lockdown. While sales activity stalling through April, a reliable measure on home prices will be clearer when the market resumes properly. South Wairarapa was the second highest provincial area for quarterly growth, up 8%. And Masterton District Councillors heard submissions yesterday. In all, over 300 submissions were received, with a small amount of them speaking via live stream yesterday here on Wairarapa TV. A good mix of views around the Town Hall, skate park and Henley Lake were heard on the annual plan, while councillors will be set to deliberate near the end of the month. And the South Wairarapa District Council annual plan submissions are open and can be done via their website. Kia ora for local news, I'm Brent Gare.